Hello, I have here with me Elf false lashes. Now I have a comb here just because of the plastic right here. It might set off, the light bit just so it doesn't focus on it too much. I have two items on the camera. But anyways, now this is one of my favorite pair of lashes, and I have so many to choose from actually. So one of my favorites, not only for like big looks but also like smaller, simple, like everyday use. Honestly, I can use this every day and I feel like they still last me the same amount. I've never really kept track of it if it lasted me more with if I do so much eyeshadow and all this eyeliner just for everyday use, if I like take it off on and off. And I really tried it, but they have lasted me like a good 15 uses, I want to say. This is a brand new pair just because I just happen to get new ones. But they usually, like I said, I get a good 15 uses out of it. The rest of them, it could work, Just depends how you take care of them and whatnot. And if you obviously take it off properly and put it on properly and whatnot. And now this is the box that comes with. So this is the e.l.f. product. For those, e.l.f. is like a drugstore makeup brand. With that being said, there's mostly like two types of makeup brands, the high-end and the drugstore. Everyone has their own preferences. Drugstore obviously tends to be a little bit on the more affordable side, and also just in places probably where it's common, like pharmacies and whatnot. But even though this is, like I said, a drugstore product, it is so good. It works as good as some high-end lashes have worked for me, and that says a lot. Especially because I still, even with these, I'll trade them out and use some high-end lashes, stuff like that, a little bit pricier. So these are super affordable for what they are and like the uses you get for it. Like I mentioned, e.l.f. is not only a drugstore, it's super affordable, but also it has so many things you can choose from. Like you can literally get your whole like makeup set with that brand. They're not only are super affordable and they have so much to choose from, but I just feel like they're so simple and so it's easy to use for either beginners or people who just use makeup every day, or even people who love makeup and know everything about makeup. It's so awesome because then they have those basic like products, so I feel like it's good for all different types of makeup individuals, especially for younger girls, older girls, just older women. I just feel like it's the perfect product for anyone of all ages and anyone with any type of makeup experience. This is called the Starstruck. Lashes have like different names. This is a number. Sometimes if you can't really tell, sometimes they'll just be mixed up. I don't know if people were returning them or anything like that, but I've seen some be a little mixed up. So this is a number 8508080. Sorry about that. And so it's called the Luxe kit there. Sorry, I was just trying to show the thingy so you guys can see it. It says it is multi-dimensional lashes for full volume and length. One pair of lashes and one tweezer it comes with. Also in the back, it tells you how to use, it kind of gives you a little bit more, the basically multi-dimensional. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention what I love about these lashes are the fact that they're multi-dimensional, meaning there are so many lengths, so it gives you that natural look while also amplifying the volume and the length. So it's definitely a natural look, but also with the glam, or just what you want to get out of a pair of lashes, which is volume and length, of course. Here it is, the directions kind of about it. It doesn't include a tweezer, which is so good. Like I mentioned, even if it was just lashes, it'd be still super affordable, but it comes with a pair of lashes. Obviously, if you don't use lashes a lot, then this is good for you. I have my own pair of tweezers, and the reason why it's tweezers is because usually people apply them with tweezers, in case you're wondering. Like I know it's like to plug and whatnot. So now just being really careful with the boxes. Now I did say tweezers, you guys may be wondering why it's not regular tweezers, although you can use them, you can apply them with regular tweezers. Just in the lash world or makeup world, lash tweezers are just different things, so you put the lash on, if that makes sense. So these are definitely a more different shape than if you don't know about lashes, and something you may not expect. But you literally just apply the lash here and you put it on. Here are the lashes. Now they are so freaking smooth, and they are very shiny, but they don't look like, I'm sorry, I think because of the lighting made it look a little plasticky, but I promise they're just so smooth. And just seems okay. There you go. Like I said, the multi-dimension means they have different types of hairs, and it has a black lash line, meaning this line right here, it's black, so it'll make it so much easier for it to not be. Obviously, like a clear one is so much better, but a black, if you wear eyeliner, then this is perfect for you because it'll already kind of help you with your eyeliner. And if you don't wear eyeliner, of course, your it just like it just looks good. Don't worry about it, like, because it's not clear about it. Like, this is like a perfectly thin one. Some are too thin and just break off, but this is like literally thin and thick at the same time. Like, it's just the perfect amount of thin is basically what I'm trying to say. That lash line right here. And these are just, so usually I put them this way, you know, so I'm facing that way, so that means this would be my left and this would be my right. That's how you tell lashes, and also most lashes the smaller part in the inner corners, of course, so you can just notice by that. So yeah, these are definitely good products. I recommend them for everyday look. They've just been so good to me, and I went on and off about the lash specifically because you guys just need to know that they're amazing lashes, easy to apply, never have trouble with them or any of the hairs falling for multiple uses. And I just think, you know, it's a super affordable thing, especially for a more natural look. So thank you for watching.